Hi folks, in today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to download and install Adobe InCopy for free on your PC or Mac. It's easier than you think. First things first, go to the description of this video and click on the official Adobe InCopy trial page link. That link takes you straight to Adobe's website, so you don't have to search for anything. Before you start, make sure your device meets the system requirements. InCopy is a professional writing and editing tool designed to work hand-in-hand with Adobe InDesign, so it runs best on a decent setup. Once you're on the trial page, click the button to start your free trial. Select the individual plan, and you'll unlock 7 days of Adobe Creative Cloud for free, including full access to Adobe InCopy. Also, while you're there, consider checking the option to try Adobe Stock for free. You'll get another 7-day trial, and they throw in 10 free premium assets, photos, graphics, templates, and more. Even if you cancel before the trial ends, you get to keep those 10 assets. Pretty sweet deal, right? Next, sign into your Adobe account, or create one if you're new. It's a quick process. Adobe will ask for a payment method, but rest assured, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial period ends. I recommend setting a quick reminder so you don't forget to cancel if you're not planning to continue. Once signed in, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is where you'll install InCopy. After Creative Cloud is installed and running, search for Adobe InCopy, click Install, and let the app do the rest. The download and setup might take a few minutes, depending on your connection. And that's it. You now have Adobe InCopy fully installed, free for 7 days. Whether you're working with editorial teams, writing long-form content, or just exploring the tool, this is an excellent opportunity to see what it can do. No strings attached. Remember to use the link in the description to start your free trial and follow each step shown in this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more straightforward tech guides like this, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Want more tutorials like this, plus exclusive tech tips and tools? Subscribe to our newsletter at 90sectech.com. Quick reads, helpful links, and no fluff. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.